Hi, everybody. It's Juan Martinez. I guess I haven't been on this channel for a little while. I wanted to at least announce that we have a new course on Udemy, udemy.com. I'll leave the links down below to the 3 courses we have there. This new one is entitled A Practical Color Theory for the Portrait and Figurative Artist. And although that's kind of a mouthful, I'll tell you how it came about. It actually came about because of this channel, and I was trying to, or preparing to do sort of a periodic series of short videos on color for the artist. And that was my last video here, which was now months ago. I intend to do that, but what I ended up doing instead was to prepare a rather longer course. It was about between 5 and 6 hours, which is what's up on Udemy as a course. And the color theory is primarily for the artist who deals with skin tones, portrait and figurative artists. That's what they do. That's what we do. There's examples here of my own work, all done from life here. We talk a little bit about that. But the main thing is that this came up because of not just, I suppose, years of working with other artists in teaching capacity. One of the questions that many artists who work in this field of portrait and figurative art, they're always looking for ways of making a very reasonable and convincing skin color for whoever they're depicting, particularly if it's meant to be realistic. You can always make somebody green like the Hulk, or you can make somebody blue or whatever, like you might find in some comic. But that's not really the way real people look. And so there's the problem of there not being any one true color for skin colors. It ranges wildly, as you can see. And from light to dark, from yellower to redder, etc., etc. So what we want to do, and what we're doing in the workshop, is arriving at a framework, a theoretical framework from which you can then spring from and work with whatever your medium is. Mine was oil paint, was paint. But the idea is that you use your media, your tools, to understand, or as a way of understanding and depicting what you see and what you understand from the theory. And that theory can be used for skin tones. It can be used for anything else, any other subject. But we had to narrow it down just to keep the time to something workable, and particularly just for artists. So the course is really for anyone from novice to more experienced or advanced. In the latter end, it's probably going to be saying things that you already know or understand, but maybe in slightly different language. It might be a helpful reminder for you. And for the novice or intermediate, there's going to be, I think, an air of simplicity to it all as to the understanding of the color. And then the practical end will be more or less where you're actually using your medium to create your colors. So looking forward to seeing you there, and thanks very much.